What is going on, guys? This is another Coding with Google AI episode. This time we're building something. I'll explain it when I write it down. I'll explain it when I write it down. Coding with Google AI. Python projects. Python programming projects. Synth graphics. Text in a video.
You said we're gonna be taking off. Rob, I'm taking my flight.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay. It's cool. It's cool.
Okay. Because I'm taking your sister to
Hey, you want to where?
the hospital.
Oh, you want to leave me a seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna send a message now? Okay.
Just read what I typed down. See what we get. Works! You could load an exterior MP4 to just a basic model. That works. That's it, guys. Our program here takes into account that because graphics is all the same and it works the same, letters written on a notepad like this and the letters in the video are no different. So the letters in the video can be detected using normal graphical means. We might update the code to be even better. We might ask the AI to permute the letters, all possible shapes of the letter A, so it can't get away. But for now, I think this is good enough. Maybe one day we'll update it to have that and we'll do a follow-up video. But this is the Python project you can do. Letter detector in a video. You could modify it to be numbers. Python projects you can do. Python project, beginner and advanced alike. As you guys can see, me and time were against each other. The internet ran out as soon as right when I was doing the tests and stuff. So that's pretty interesting. Oh, that's good. Python programming projects. Let's see what this is. tkinter. tkinter. Python projects. Python programming. Text sensor, or letter sensor in a video. Explain my theory already. It includes, it's a software framework. A software framework is when it's just a basic program. So it's meant to be upgraded, put out there, or you could make a business deal or whatever, but it's meant to be put out there and upgraded and improved, developed, modified. That's what a software framework is. And you could also, it's also meant to be put on hardware. So hardware could run your program. You could have real life apps. Raspberry Pi. This is a software framework, basically. This program I just showed you. Software framework. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.